Yo, what's up guys? BB here, your friendly neighborhood tech enthusiast, back with some mind-blowing news from the world of AI. Hold on to your hats because Google just dropped a bombshell, a brand new AI called Mariner, and trust me, this ain't no ordinary program. This thing is powered by the mighty Gemini 2.0, the latest and greatest in AI tech. Imagine an AI that can not only understand your words, but also see pictures, listen to audio, and even browse the web on its own. That's Mariner for you. The tech world is buzzing with excitement, and honestly, I can't blame them. Mariner is like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. But the craziest part? It's real. And it's here. From simplifying everyday tasks to potentially revolutionizing how we interact with the internet, Mariner's possibilities seem endless. But as with any powerful technology, there are also some concerns. Experts are both amazed by Mariner's capabilities and a tad bit wary of its potential impact. Is this the dawn of a new era of AI, or are we sailing into uncharted waters? Stick around as we dive deep into the world of Mariner, explore its incredible features, and address the big questions surrounding this game-changing technology. Get ready to have your minds blown. Now, before we get into all the cool stuff Mariner can do, let's talk about the brains behind this operation. Gemini 2.0. This ain't your grandma's AI. This is next-level stuff. Imagine an AI that can understand not just text but images, audio code, you name it. That's the beauty of Gemini 2.0. It's multimodal, which means it can handle different types of information like a pro. But wait, there's more. Gemini 2.0 isn't just about understanding, it's about doing. This AI can actually use tools like Google Search and Maps, just like you and me. It's like having a super smart assistant that can not only answer your questions, but also book you a flight or order a pizza. Okay, maybe not the pizza yet, but you get the idea. This powerful AI is built for what experts are calling the agentic era, a fancy way of saying that AI is becoming more independent and capable of acting on its own. Now, I know what you're thinking, BB. Are you saying robots are taking over? Chill guys, we're not there yet. But with Gemini 2.0 paving the way, the future of AI is looking pretty darn exciting. Alright, let's talk Mariner. This AI is like a super-powered web browser, capable of doing things that'll make your jaw drop. Remember the days of filling out tedious online forms, or struggling to find that one specific product on a shopping website? Well, say goodbye to those headaches because Mariner is here to save the day. Mariner's party trick: autonomous navigation. This baby can surf the web on its own, understanding what's on the screen and interacting with websites just like a human user. Need to book a flight? Tell Mariner your destination and travel dates and watch it work its magic. It's like having your own personal travel agent, but without the annoying phone calls. But it gets even cooler. Mariner isn't just about following instructions. It can actually understand the context of what you're asking. If you tell it to find a good Italian restaurant nearby, it won't just pull up a list of restaurants. It'll consider factors like your location, ratings, and even your past dining preferences to suggest the perfect place for your next pasta craving. Mamma mia. Okay, enough talk. Let's see Mariner in action. Imagine this. You're browsing an online store looking for a new pair of headphones. You see a bunch of options, but scrolling through endless pages is a pain. So, you simply tell Mariner, show me noise-canceling headphones under $100 with good reviews. Boom! Mariner analyzes your request, understands your criteria, and filters the results to show you exactly what you're looking for. And it's not just about shopping. Need to pay your bills but dread navigating those clunky banking websites? Mariner to the rescue. It can access your online accounts, understand your bill statements, and even make payments on your behalf. Just make sure to double-check the amount before you hit confirm. Mariner has been put through its paces in something called the Web Voyager benchmarks, which are basically like AI obstacle courses designed to test how well they can handle real-world web tasks. And guess what? Mariner aced those tests. It consistently outperforms other AI systems, proving that it's not just a one-trick pony. It's the real deal. Now, it's not just me who's freaking out about Mariner. Tech experts all over the world are both excited and a tad bit nervous about this new AI on the block. On the one hand, everyone agrees that Mariner has the potential to be a game changer. Imagine a world where mundane online tasks are automated, where accessing information is easier than ever before, and where the internet becomes a truly personalized experience. That's the dream, right? But there's also the flip side. Some experts are concerned about the ethical implications of such a powerful AI. What happens if Mariner falls into the wrong hands? Could it be used for malicious purposes, like spreading misinformation or manipulating online systems? These are valid concerns that need to be addressed. The good news is that Google is aware of these concerns and claims to be prioritizing safety and ethical considerations in Mariner's development. But as with any new technology, it's crucial to have open discussions about its potential impact and ensure that it's used responsibly for the benefit of humanity. Section 6. Deciphering the digital world Mariner's superpowers. So, how does Mariner do it? What makes it so special? Well, apart from being powered by the awesome Gemini 2.0, Mariner has some serious superpowers up its sleeve. Remember how we talked about Gemini 2.0 being multimodal? Well, that's one of Mariner's biggest strengths. It can see and understand everything on your browser screen, from text and images to web elements and even the underlying code. Think of it like this. When you look at a web page, you see images, text, buttons, and forms. But Mariner sees all of that and more. It understands the relationships between these elements, the meaning behind the text, and the purpose of each button and form. It's like having X-ray vision for the internet. This deep understanding allows Mariner to perform complex tasks that would leave other AI systems scratching their heads. It can fill out forms with your information, navigate through menus, and even interact with dynamic web elements like drop-downs and sliders. It's like having your own personal assistant, but for the internet. Section 7. Beyond the browser Gemini 2.0's expanding universe. Now here's the thing about Gemini 2.0, it's not just about Mariner. Think of Gemini 2.0 as a Swiss Army knife of AI, capable of powering a whole range of applications. Google knows this and they're not holding back. They've already started integrating Gemini 2.0 into other products, and trust me, things are about to get interesting. One of the first areas where we're seeing Gemini 2.0's impact is Google search. Remember those AI-powered summaries that pop up at the top of some search results? Yeah, those are about to get a whole lot smarter thanks to Gemini 2.0. Imagine getting concise, accurate, and even personalized summaries of complex topics, all powered by the same AI that's driving Mariner. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Google has hinted at plans to integrate Gemini 2.0 into everything from Google Assistant to Google Maps. Imagine having a voice assistant that can understand your needs on a deeper level, or a mapping app that can anticipate your next move and provide personalized recommendations. The possibilities are endless. Section 8. Safety first. Navigating the ethical waters. Now, with great power comes great responsibility, and Google knows this all too well. As they continue to push the boundaries of AI with projects like Mariner and Gemini 2.0, they're also putting a lot of emphasis on safety and ethical considerations. After all, we don't want another Skynet situation on our hands, right? Google claims to be taking a cautious and iterative approach to Mariner's development. They're working with trusted testers to identify potential issues and ensure that the AI is used responsibly. They're also actively engaging with experts in the field of AI ethics to get feedback and guidance. This focus on safety is crucial because, let's face it, AI is a powerful tool. In the wrong hands, it could be used for malicious purposes, but in the right hands, it has the potential to do a lot of good. It's all about finding the right balance between innovation and responsibility. Section 9. Charting the course Mariner's impact on the future. So where do we go from here? What does the future hold for Mariner and AI as a whole? Honestly, your guess is as good as mine. But one thing's for sure, Mariner is a game changer. It's a glimpse into a future where AI is no longer just a tool, but a partner, capable of understanding our needs and helping us navigate the increasingly complex digital world. Imagine a world where mundane tasks are automated, where information is readily available at our fingertips, and where technology enhances our lives in ways we never thought possible. That's the promise of AI, and with Mariner leading the charge, the future is looking bright. But as we embrace this exciting new era of AI, it's crucial to remember the importance of responsible development and ethical considerations. AI is a powerful tool, and it's up to us to ensure that it's used for good. So let's buckle up and enjoy the ride. But let's also stay informed, engaged, and committed to shaping the future of AI in a way that benefits all of humanity. And that's a wrap, folks. What do you think about Mariner and the future of AI? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to BB Keyvines for more awesome tech content. Peace out.